Welcome. We're very excited to share with you a new feature, Caloola DIY, which allows you to create your own stickers. So without further ado, we're gonna start working on all these features that we have here. So here on the bottom, it tells me that I'm on the background section and I can pick any background that I want. For example, can move between backgrounds. I can also go here and pick solid colors if I want, and by pressing this trash icon I can simply remove it. But I think I'm gonna go with this one because it's cool. Now on the images section I have all these categories, which allows me to create a variety of stickers. For example, I'm gonna go with this cute snail here. So by using your fingers you can zoom in and zoom out on this image. You can also use this plus and minus icon to increase or decrease the size of the image you've chosen. You can place it wherever you want. And if I'm happy with this one, I think I'm gonna add another one. And I want to add a cute afro on this cute snail of mine. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Now you can add as many elements as you want. I want to show you something important. For example, I'm adding this image that's blocking my snail. Now I can move it back and front, which is important when you design more complex stickers. But for now it's not important, so I'm just gonna delete it. Great. Now I'm gonna add my text. I'm gonna add it here, which says happy holidays. And you know what? I think I'm gonna add a small, gonna add a small flower to his hair to make it look more festive. Awesome. I can move between elements by long pressing them. For example, I want to work on this text, so I can move it here. And if I long press the flower, I can work on the flower a little bit, which is very important when you design your stickers. And once I'm adding this text, double tap it, I can edit it again, and I can change font by clicking here. And for example, if I'm pressing this enter, I can play with the gravity. But for now, I don't want it to be two lines, so I'm gonna bring it back. And I can also play with the colors of the text, for example. But I think I'm gonna go with black. Okay, great. Once I'm happy with the sticker I designed, I can simply click the done button. And once I completed this phase, I can simply check this checkbox and I can share it to any app that I want. So this is it, basically. One important thing, you need to add at least 3 stickers before you can add it to WhatsApp. Once you add the third sticker, you will add this DIY pack to the WhatsApp, and then you can share the stickers from WhatsApp as usual. Or you can check this checkbox and share it to any media that you want. This is it. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. So bye.